everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens. I know it's a little bit later in the morning than normal. None of the stores I went to, and I say stores plural because I went to multiple thinking maybe it was just the first one that was having the issue. None of the stores were tagged, and I hate that. I just want to be able to see what the sale price is. I want to be able to see it right there on the tag. And so I went to another store thinking, my brain doesn't want to have to work this hard. I'll just go to another store and it'll be tagged and I can see it. They weren't tagged either, so maybe it's a Memorial Day thing. I don't know. But that's why I'm running a little bit later this morning. I'm going to tell you about clearance, fantastic clearance. I'm going to tell you how I used my spend 40, get $20 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. I'm going to show you how I stacked that with a paper booster, as well as how I snagged all of these items for free. So great week at Walgreens for specific things. I feel like there aren't as many deals, but hello, I got all of this for free, so how bad could it really be? Now, before I get into that, I do want to mention one deal that I did almost an entire year ago, and it is back. It's on the Healthy UTV exercise program. It's just online classes. You can stream it from your phone. You can stream it from your computer. But I love the classes, and I'm very particular about my exercise classes. And it's 79 cents for the entire year. 79 cents for the whole year of classes, unlimited access to the classes from your phone, or I stream it from my TV. I'll drop a link to that down below, but I think they're amazing classes. I've tried out a number of them at this point, so if you have questions about it, don't hesitate to drop those questions down in the comment section, but they do a really good job, especially if you're a beginner. They have modifications for beginner, and then they have modifications for advanced, which is something that I look for because that's kind of the indication of a really good instructor is someone who can modify both easier and harder. Okay, so let's talk about clearance first. I just happened to get really lucky on Friday when I was out shopping, and I found a couple of really amazing clearance deals. First one I want to tell you about is these Hershey bags. These were on clearance for 49 cents. At one store they were marked, at the other store they weren't marked, but they rang up 49 cents. They're also buy one, get one half off. So 49 cents plus 24 cents makes it 73 cents. But there is $1 off to Walgreens store digital coupon. That means it is going to take $1 off for every 2 you buy. Since we're not at $1, we're only at 73 cents. It will automatically adjust down to that 73 cents, making each 2 you buy completely free. So amazing deal if you can find those at your Walgreens. Don't hesitate to walk it up to the register and have them scan it. Even if it's not marked, there's no harm in that. It might be clearanced, it might not be. The pledge. Now, I happened to be at the store when the guy marked these on clearance for 49 cents. Again, it rang up buy one, get one half off. So it was 73 cents for both of them. But then I went ahead and scanned it into Ibotta just to check. And there was $1 back on 2, making these completely free and a moneymaker, as if the deal wasn't already good enough. So, other clearance to look out for, the Reese's Creamy and the Reese's Crunchy. Those were clearanced at 29 cents. So check your store if that's something that sounds good to you. Okay, let's talk about the deals I did in store. I did them in store, which y'all know I don't prefer, but I had that paper booster of spend 40, get $10 in Walgreens Cash. Now, y'all know a paper booster that you scan at the register will in fact stack with a digital booster. And the digital booster I got this week was spend 40, get 20 in Walgreens Cash. So just quick math, if I spend $40, I'm gonna get $30 back. Holy cow, that's an amazing deal, even if I don't have coupons. But I can use manufacturer coupons on top of that. So the gain this week is 4 for $16. That's $4 each. But check your digital coupons. In the app, I had 3 different $1 coupons. That's the reason I got one of each here, because I had one for the fabric softener, I had one for the flings, and then I had one for the Gain liquid. So instead of paying $16, I paid $13. Now let's pretend you don't have a digital booster, right? The final cost for that would be $13 or $3.25 each. I probably wouldn't pay $3.25 each for it. I don't like Gain that much, so that's why I rolled it into a booster scenario. Now, I wanted to buy the Old Spice. There are Old Spice body washes that are $7 each. There are a couple different coupons in the Walgreens app. I had a $5 one, and I believe I had a $2 one as well, but I know I at least had the $5 one. But they are producing a $5 register reward, as well as you get $6 back on Ibotta, so $2 for each of them, but it's only on certain scents. So you have to actually scan them into the Ibotta app and see if they qualify. And none of the ones that my store had in stock actually qualified for the Ibotta offer. It's the ones like Champion, and I think there was like Night Panther. Just look in your Ibotta app if you're wanting to do that deal, because it is a great deal, but it's a little bit harder because Walgreens doesn't have grocery store type stock of their products. And the Champions, it's the one I was looking for, and my store only had one of them. So obviously I couldn't do the deal with just one of them. Okay, so I did the Tide deal instead. It's spend 20, get a $5 register reward. And of course we can stack that with our spend boosters. So these Tides are $5.49 each. Now, it was kind of weird because when I scanned this in the app, it showed up as $7.49. And I'm like, I thought these were on sale for $5.49. If you throw it in your cart online, it did show the $5.49 price, and it did ring $5.49 when I purchased it online, or when I purchased it in store. It just made me like, why is it not pulling up the sale price? But as soon as I put it in my cart, it did show the sale price. So no worries on that. Don't let it freak you out. It did ring up $5.49. So I bought a Tide liquid. I bought a Downy softener. I bought the Tide pods, and I bought the big box of Bounce. $5.49 for each of them, okay? Again, spend 20, get $5 in register rewards. But I had a $1 digital for each of those items, so $4 in coupons. So I paid $17.96, got back the $5 register reward. Already a good deal, but when I put that together, the Gain and the Tide, I was just short of $40. So I purchased, this is a new product to my store, the pasta at $1.49 each. I picked up 2 of them, so that's $2.98. But I knew this is something that I would use, and I wanted to get myself to that $40 mark. So Gain plus Tide plus the pasta, I'm at $40.94 before coupons. After the $4 in coupons here and the $3 in coupons here, I'm at $33.94. That's what I paid out of pocket. Now, if you have manufacturer register rewards, you could pay that down with manufacturer register rewards. I didn't, so I paid it out of pocket. I got back the $5 register reward for the Tide. It printed with no problems. And I got back $30 in Walgreens cash. 20 for the spend booster, 10 for the paper spend booster, meaning it was all free. Holy cow, what a great week. Now, I had depleted my Walgreens cash buying things over the last couple of weeks. So now, even though I spent the money out of pocket, I now have $30 in Walgreens cash sitting in my account that I can use to buy additional items. And so I know some of you don't like to have the higher out of pocket. If that's you, use your register rewards to pay down that balance. Just make sure they are manufacturer register rewards that you're using to pay down your balance. Now I'm trying to think, was there anything else I wanted to tell you? Oh, if you're doing an online order, the code HERO15 is working for orders over $25. Anything else I wanted to tell you? The grocery deals weren't all that exciting to me this week, so I didn't put together many. If you like the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, it is buy one, get 2 free, which is a decent deal. I just don't care for that laundry detergent all that much, but I wanted to put that out there. I think that's it. Hope you guys have a great start to your week, a great Memorial Day weekend. If you're doing something fun, let me know down in the comments below. My hope is to take a quick peek at CVS deals, and then I'm hoping to go for a little run today. All right, see you later.